But I am so excited that this tradition of this type of singing will is going to continue. It's good for the young people to know what the older people went through, and they sung these type of songs because it helped them to get through the day. They had a hard time, and they just stayed in the spirit, just singing, and it just did something to their spirit, and it did something to our spirit as children as to how they felt. And as today, I still love this type of singing of the old hymn choir singing because I hope that it will never die.